Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to screenshot on Squarespace. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Squarespace, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Taking a screenshot on your Squarespace website is a straightforward process. Once you are logged in to your account, I want you to hover to the upper right corner and click on the dashboard. And this will lead you to the Squarespace website builder or the editor. Now, to take a screenshot here, you can use the standard screenshot functions of your device. If you are using on Windows, right now I'm on full screen. If you can see the PRT-SCN button or the print screen on your keyboard, click that. Alright. Or on the active window, press Alt plus PRT-CSN button or print screen to capture the active window. Alright. Now, for example, I have clicked the button of print screen. I'm going to open a paint. Alright. And then from here, I'm going to paste it. As you can see, I have pasted my website. All right, so that's one way. Now, you can use several platforms like Loom. It's a free Windows screen recorder, and you can also use it as a print screen. Or you can also use Lightshot, the fastest way to take a customizable screenshot. You can download for Windows, download for Mac, and all you have to do is capture the screenshot tool right here. Share screenshots via internet, similar image search, easy to use application, and powerful editors. Or there's another platform called Greenshot. It's one of the most awesome tools for making screenshots you can get on your Windows PC. Alright? But my favorite among all of them is basically snipboard.io. It is the easiest way to screenshots and images. Click on the window you want to capture and press Alt plus print screen. Click back on this website and press Ctrl V. Alright, let me do that. If I do that, what will happen is I would be forwarded here. Okay. And as you can see, it's a straightforward process. The screenshot has been saved at this link. Alright, and you can share it to your friends, client, your freelancer if you're working with team members. This is going to be one of the best platform for you to screenshot, all right? And from here, you can send this link to any of them. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.